Hello everyone, my name is Luthfi Rammadhani, and today I'll be showing you my portfolio here. Today I'll run the program first. So now, okay, so I choose this mark, which is dollar. Yes, because I want it. So now I go first. So the program decides I go first. Let's say I pick 3. Okay, the computer chooses 9. Fine, I'll choose 8. Oh wait, I choose 2. Oh no, the computer is going to win. But no, I will win first. I'll win first. Okay. So I win. $. Okay. So here I'll explain as quick as possible, but for the full source code, I'll put it in the description. So the website I use, is repl.it, called repl.it, and the language I use is Python 3, and here I use 2 modules: import, numpy, and random. So first here I declare a variable, count, list available, list unavailable, computer choice, and first choice, which is for the marks. This one is for the spaces available, and this one is how much spaces available. Here I made a matrix, so it's possible. So it made me easier to make the tic-tac-toe like this. I arrange it like this. Here, this one, okay. And then this one is the marks list here. Marks list, blah, blah, blah. And then this one's def, a function. I made it. To check the outcome something, and then here I'll explain it later. Okay, so first the process is the player input, which mark it wants, right? The player input which mark it wants, and then I use a loop here, so to eliminate any errors, and then if player say yes, then it removes from dictionary, and then after that, after player picks, then the computer choose from random module, then choose from a list of them, and then here decide to go first. You can see from my documentation. And if decider is 0, then computers go first. If decider is 1, then and players go first. And then here I'll go from the 1. Players go first. Now it shows the tic-tac-toe, so the player can know which is still available now before loading command. While count is 0, it's more than 0, then play decide is true. Count is blah blah blah. I'll just pick it first. Okay, please pick a position and player input. Then if the player input is in the list of available spaces, then it becomes false and the loop breaks. And then here it player chose string, player input, and outcome. Outcome here, I'll just make it faster. Okay, outcome. It's pretty long, but I'll explain. So here first is check is input formula. If num is not in list of available, this is for computer, but also works for player. But whatever. Then print number occupied if the player. Then if num is 1, then it will just changes the whole thing. That's why I have 9 of them, because each of them have a unique position. And then here it prints out the current tic-tac-toe, and then this one checks if anyone wins yet. Here table 0, table 01. Every element has a special name, and then here I have vertical strokes. Then horizontal strokes, this is 1, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vertical strokes is like 1, 4, 7 for the position of 1, 4, 7, and diagonal strokes were 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. So if it has the same thing, then it wins. And I break out like I stop the program forcefully, and then the program stopped. But there's also a special case here. So if the count is 0, then nobody won. And that's for my portfolio. And for the full source code, I'll share it onto the description. Thank you.